A good succession planning gains importance from the life cycles of any individual. In today's discussion, we are going to focus on why is succession planning important for every individual. Succession planning is primarily a matter of peace of mind. A succession plan involves a lot more than just a will. Although it is important to make sure your will is up to date and valid. In addition to family trusts, superannuation, power of attorney, power of guardianship, health directives, and tax implications, whatnot, a succession plan takes care of many of these factors related to the transfer of wealth after one passes away. The importance of making a succession plan cannot be overstated or understated. It guarantees that all assets are dealt with in accordance with one's own wishes effectively and efficiently, and it will ensure that the beneficiaries are not burdened with unnecessary stress or disputes when one passes away. Let's look at the importance of succession planning in these times. It can be frightening to think about getting sick or not being able to make decisions for yourself, which is why safeguarding assets only seems important when one feels that there is something to safeguard them against. There are times when uncertainty prevails and one needs to act before any contingencies crops up. Creating succession plan gives you a sense of security and peace of mind, knowing that if one becomes ill, he has ensured that all necessary arrangements have been made to ensure that property and health issues can be handled effectively during periods when one cannot make his own decisions. There are important steps that one needs to take when making a succession plan to ease out one's own fears. 1. Validating will. When you create a will, you will be able to determine who will receive your assets and estates, as well as other important factors such as guardianship. So, validating a will is a must. Second, the management of assets in family trusts. There are many individuals who have assets in trust structures such as family trusts. It is generally not possible to gift assets from these structures through a will. When dealing with trust assets, you should ensure that you have a plan in place. Superannuation often represents a large part of individuals' wealth. Make sure it is protected. To ensure that the benefits are directed to those you desire, superannuation entitlements should be handled properly. Superannuation gifts can be very effective in ensuring entitlements and granted to the relevant beneficiaries, thereby reducing the possibility of family provision, that is, inheritance claims. You should have an effective, enduring power of attorney as a part of your plan. Up to 2 people can act on your behalf regarding financial matters if you create an enduring power of attorney. In the event that you lose your capacity, this power continues to exist. If you ever become incapable of making important decisions for yourself, an enduring power of guardianship will allow a person or members of your family to make important decisions for you. In an event of illness or injury, a health directive allows you to decide what treatment you would want or not want if you are unable to express your wishes. You can feel at ease knowing those who are treating you, and you will be aware of your decisions if you have a directive in place. Hope the information relating to the importance of succession planning is useful to you all. Thank you for your patient hearing.